Krista with Best Corporate Events. I'm not sure what's worse, the group that constantly bickers about every small thing, or the group that agrees with everything that's said in the meeting, but then later on complains to each other in small cliques. Either way, it's a recipe for a disastrous culture in your organization. In this workshop, we'll talk about the difference between task conflict, which can be very productive, and relationship conflict, which can tear people down, and how to be aware of people's values to stay on the correct side. We'll also utilize the Thomas Kilmann Inventory to give participants a chance to understand their own conflict style better. We'll give strategies about when each style is appropriate, when that style is detrimental, and most importantly, how to work with someone who's stuck in a particular conflict style. Every conflict situation in an organization is different, so call us to discuss your own unique conflict environment and situation, and we'll customize a program that addresses your needs. We look forward to working with you.